Hello friends, today we will talk about Sling resource merger concepts in AEM 6.3. So there are two mechanisms in this particular concept. One is overlays and second is overrides. Please understand the concept carefully. Overlays, it comes in the case of customization. So you can see this is an AEM console and this is an AEM console and there are few fields available. So if I want to, in the navigation, I want to add one more particular field, what can I achieve it? So this particular navigation is coming from the libs hierarchy. So if I want to, make customization, I want to add an option in apps, I can overlay a node. Okay, and I need to add my particular option like test here. So when I refresh the page, I can see that there is a test option. So how this is important? So we don't need to just copy and paste the complete nav hierarchy, which we sorry, we don't need to copy and paste the complete nav hierarchy. We just need to make a path in apps till here, and we just need to make my option as per my requirement, just my customization option. If I also want to change something in projects, what can I do? I need to just copy this particular node. I will paste it over here and I will add my changes like projects test. And I don't want to make any changes on other things. I can just delete them because this is the concept of Sling resource merger. So it will pick all the properties from the libs part. Yes, we can see project test. So this is how overlays work. So my next concept is overrides. So override is very important and is frequently used in our projects. So let's understand this as well. I have a my project. So let's delete this particular dialog for the time being. This is my project, this is my page component, and this is my page created from that particular component. So this is my default this is my default dialog. And if I want to make some changes in my dialog, what can I do? I will go to my Sling resource super type. This concept works exactly like inheritance does. So I will copy CQ dialog in my page component. Okay, and if I want to change the name of the basic one, what I need to do? I will just change the name from here. Okay, and if I refresh the page, I can see the changes. But one important thing here, what we all want these particular options also? I don't think so. We can delete them because these are already available in my Sling resource super type. They are already available in my parent class. So there is no need to have the duplicacy of all these things. So I'm just I'm not deleting blueprint and live copy for my further examples. So I have deleted all of the particular things, and yes, they are still available because they are available in the parent. There is no need to have items as well because we are just changing the JCR title. So there is no need to have a duplicacy of all the children because it will merge the basic node with the above basic node. It doesn't impact when I change the property. So okay, one more important thing here, if I am inheriting something, there is no need to have Sling resource type because parent has already this. I don't need to have these all classes, these or size resource type because parent is already having this. So there is no point of duplicate the things. We can just remove everything here in the content. We can remove it. Actually it is important because there is no point to have all this. So yes, now I am okay. Now once I will check that everything is fine till here or not. Yes, everything is fine till here. So one more point here, if I want to hide this particular tab from my dialog, so what can I do? Sling colon hide resource and boolean true. So if I want to just want to hide a particular thing from the parent, so I can do it like that. So yes, basic has been hidden. So if I want to just I don't want to have these all these nodes, uh, I don't we can do one more thing here. If I don't want to have all these things and I want to just hide basic tab, so in the parent tab of basic I can have sling colon hide children, sling colon hide children. This is a string array. I can add my node name here which I want to hide. So I have added basic here, and basic is not here as well. If I want to add advanced also, what can I do? I can add advanced also here. I think its name is advanced. Let's check. I don't want to make any typo. So let's check over here. Advanced, yes. So if we refresh it, we are not able to see advanced even. So if I want to hide through sling colon hide children, I can also use it. So uh, just remove it and try some more options. Okay, so again I will copy the basic tab because I will demonstrate everything here. So I will copy only the basic thing. So here the merging depends on the node name. If node name is same, it will merge the resource and the hierarchy plus node name. So this is my tab. So what else we can try if I want to add a particular new tab. Let's suppose test tab, and the name of the this tab is test. Okay, so there will be a different resource edit test. Now I want it to be before basic sling colon order before, and sorry, I will add it before basic. Yes, I am having test before basic. So sling order before orders my tabs or properties or something else. So if we can try one more option. There is a title, and there's a title here, and I want it to be uh, okay. So I want to hide a property of it, hide properties. I want to hide its properties field label. I don't want to show field label. So what I can do, field field label. Okay, so I edit field label here. So when I refresh the page, I can see there is no field label available. So we can hide properties, we can hide children, we can order before. Okay, these all things we can do with our resource merger concept. You understand the particular things. Now test is considered to be, where is my test? Test is considered to be absolutely new node. There is no point to the basic. So let's see if something more to demonstrate here. I have covered sling resources, sling resource, sling hide children order before. Okay, so we can now understand how to add a property. We can redefine a property, redefine an auto created property, redefine a node and its children, hide a property, we know, hide a node and its children, we know, hide children of a node, we know, and reorder node. We all know these particular scenarios over here. So please make sure that don't have additional properties while using the sling resource super type. I don't have any. So please make sure all these particular things here. So one more, the thing I can demo, as you have already, understand all these particular things. I have a basic tab again. So I have a basic tab again. Paste. Now in the basic tab, I want to change this particular title with a number field. I just want to override this particular the sling resource type of title. Let's suppose number field. So do we know any other thing? No. So let's delete. I told you that we need the path and the property. That's it. Merging will happen. So there is no, point of having all these nodes. Delete them all. Okay. So I have made a change in the title. So I can remove granite data as well. I can remove all these nodes also. Only the change will I will keep with myself, nothing else. In the items in the title, I don't need all these particular things. Delete them as well. I will delete this as well. And all these two as well. So I have just hierarchy with a plain empty unstructured node, and now in the title I have added my sling resource type. So when I go here, I don't know what I have made number field. Okay, in the basic tab, sorry, I have made it as number field. So this is how sling resource merger works for overriding and overlays. So I hope this will help you. Thank you.